Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the compressor output and quick connect condition. Check the gauge and set to the tool's recommended PSI. Make sure you know why pressure matters for safety and performance. Next, visually inspect the plug, coupler, and O-ring for cuts or debris. Once done, shut off or throttle back the compressor. Bleed the hose to near zero pressure so you can safely insert the plug without a sudden burst. You now join the plug and coupler. If the coupler has a sliding collar, pull it back, insert the plug straight in, then release the collar so it snaps. Listen for the click. Aligning straight prevents O-ring pinches, and rotating while inserting can cause leaks, so avoid it. Once connected, reapply pressure gradually and watch the gauge to confirm airflow. Make sure the latch fully engages by a quick tug. If the connection slips, stop and retry. You finish by testing the setup. Run the tool briefly to confirm steady airflow and no audible leaks. Watch the gauge for stable PSI. When done, shut off the compressor and bleed the line down to near zero before pulling the collar and separating the connection. If you encounter a leak, stop immediately. Inspect the O-ring for cuts, clean any grit from the sleeve, and replace damaged parts. Once repaired, reconnect and verify at low pressure before full operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.